Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can animate easily using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a new design on my Canva and I'm going to show you guys how we can animate something on Canva. Okay, for example guys, I'm going to animate this berry. If we want to animate something, we need to go to the animate option. Okay, and then you can choose create an animation. Okay, and then you can add custom movement to the object. You just need to draw for the animation like this. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it like that, and this is the result guys. And you can customize the speed if you want. Okay, or you can change the path. And for the movement style, I'm going to choose smooth. Okay, now it's done and this is the final result. That's so easy, right? And once you're satisfied with how it looks, you can click on done. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to animate something on Canva, or that's how we can create animation using Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.